Özge, yagiz and Gökberk demirci who are enjoying their vacations in a very beautiful way, and this couple is having very beautiful moments. Now Özge, yagiz and Gökberk demirci are in board for the celebration of the special event. Yes guys, Özge and Gökberk, who previously seen in resort in Anatolia, and now they are in Island of Memories. Actually, it's the birthday of Sidkim Pilot, who is the best friend of Özge and Gökberk. So they have decided to celebrate her birthday in the beautiful islands of Marmaris, and that is a very special event for both of them. So Özge, yagiz and Gökberk demirci in board for the celebration of the special event.